Hi, I'm Luis Valenzuela. Welcome to my studio. Today we will be talking about cake smash photography. A cake smash is an amazing way to celebrate that first year. Specifically, we will be talking about how to choose the most suitable lighting to have an amazing cake smash session. We will go over choosing which light modifier is going to be better for you and which kind of light is going to be better for you. Obviously, we will level up this cake smash session with the amazing backdrops from Cake Backdrops. We will be choosing the right light, the right modifier in order to make your cake smash a total success. All right, we're going to be talking about our backdrops. This is not just any backdrop, it's actually a microfiber cake backdrop. It's amazing. If you see closely, it doesn't have any reflections. That's because it's a matte finish, which is amazing. And honestly, it's pretty convenient. When we're working with lights and artificial light, anything that causes glare, it's an issue. That's why I'm using this cake backdrop. This is a 5x7 backdrop, and if you see, when I put it here, it's actually wrinkle-free. It's been stored for a few weeks, and if you see, it doesn't have any wrinkles on it. And we have a lot of lights here for the video, and you can't see any glare, which is amazing. One of the other things that I really like the most, and I feel like that's going to be better for all of us, that we have a studio and we have a small space, it's this part. This is a rod, a pocket rod that you can actually take off and take in, and you just put it in your stand and you're good to go. Now the floor. This is a neoprene floor. It's also from Cake Backdrops. The quality is pretty good actually. The cool thing that I like about this one is that it looks real. It looks like real wood, and that's something that we as portrait photographers and cake smash photographers were looking for. We want something that looks real. We don't want something that looks fake. The other cool thing about this one is that whenever you finish using it, you can easily wipe it off, roll it, store it, and you're good. Lighting can make or break our photo. For starters, we have two different modifiers that we can use. We can use an umbrella like this one. You put your strobe here, it shoots light here, and it bounces. You can use a diffuser in front so you can have a better quality and softer light. And also, you can use softbox. There are different types of softbox and sizes. We, in the studio, we use the big one. I like a bigger softbox because it creates a softer light and it gives a perfect glow for the kids, which is basically what we want to achieve in a cake smash. But what really light up the scene is artificial light. Artificial light instead of natural light doesn't change. We can change the power, but the output and the consistency is going to be the same. Instead of natural light that changes between hours. And we want consistency and the same power so we can freeze the motion of kids whenever we're shooting a cake smash. Okay, let's put this one into practice. We have a cake and we have the camera. We have the strobe, we have the floor, and we have the backdrop. The floor and the backdrop from Cake Backdrops. So we're going to start pretending that we have a cake smash. We're going to use a cake. Come with me. Okay, I already have all my settings dialed correctly. Okay, it looks amazing. That's perfect. That's another reason and another benefit of using artificial light instead of natural light. I'm gonna put continuous drive mode and see how many pictures I can shoot continuously. So when you're shooting a cake smash, the kids are moving a lot. So what you want to do is freeze the motion. So I'm going to give you some tips for you to have a successful cake smash session. The first one is have an extra set of batteries for your strobe or for your trigger. Have an extra set of batteries for your camera. And When we're talking about softbox, remember, the bigger the better. It's going to give you a softer light and your kid is going to glow up a lot.